Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this RayBan model, new Wayfarer, RB2132, in color code 901/L. It's a black color frame. On the temples here, we have a RayBan writing in silver. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the outside of the temple with the silver RayBan writing. The lenses are a green G-15 glass. Also has a stick over here that says it's G15 lens. 100% UV protection. And on the top right lens, it has a RayBan writing in white. And a RayBan logo engraved on the left lens. The style of this frame is fashion Wayfarer. Up here we have a RayBan gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.